How to fix sound problem on Pluto TV. What's up guys? I will show you how to solve and fix this problem. Let's do it. Open the settings of your phone, click at apps option and search for Pluto TV and click. Scroll down this list, click on storage, click just clear cache. After this back, click at force stop and click OK. Go to Play Store or App Store, update Pluto TV, restart your mobile phone and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in another video.